use the, how you can see in this game, you can see how you can use the files, how you can catch the squares, key squares in the opponent area, and how to regroup your pieces. Okay, now let's see the game. Yeah. Now you can see this position. Now black, we will see the black position from here. Okay, this is the position. It looks like everything is okay, very normal. But see how black improves the position, and see, there is a problem here. Even though here this bishop is doing good on g5, okay, and the knight have not much place there here. Okay, now there are two attacks. See, this attack will not mean anything. Why? Because rook can defend it. Yeah. Here. So it is black to move. It is not the white to move. So black have moved a pawn sacrifice. Okay, let's see what happens. So white did not take it. But let's see what happens if black takes it. Okay, see, if he takes with the queen, okay, there is a fantastic move on knight g4. You can see that, black is giving a queen. He can take it, but he will lose his queen back. And see this bishop. Now you'd have to go back. What are the possibilities for him? Either knight h4 or knight b4. If you go to knight b4, this is a5 is trapped. Yes? Yeah? And if you go to h4 also, the rook g4 is trapped. This bishop is gone. See? Yeah? That is the problem. But now see how deep the quality players go and see. Okay. So if you take with bishop, okay, rook g4 and see queen here. Okay. Queen only move. I mean, now castles, bishop to g2, rook to here, and queen comes to from that horrible square. It comes to g4 and rook to g1. And this rook will soon come over here and come over here. This is really good. It's going to be really good for white. Sorry, for black. Yes. So, and see, for black, I mean for white, now you have to struck, you have to, I mean, queen have to come to g4. Now you have this move. I mean, this move. There are a lot of tempos. Yes. Yeah. If you go over here, knight to d5. Okay. Because you have to support this, bishop. Yes. If you go over here, this is also simply you can take this one. I mean, you can you can't take this one, for example, because this is gone. I mean, simply this is gone. And you are also inviting a discovery also. Okay. And anyways, apart of this, if you go here, this is also a possibility. Okay. Uh, if you go here, this is also a possibility, I think. Yeah, this is also going to be possible. If you take this, you can simply take it. Yeah, this tactic is also there. Anyways, yeah. So this is what happens which if you take the pawn. All right. Now, so nevertheless, but white did not take it anyways. He played to bishop to d2. He knows the consequences. So black have castle. Okay. Now see how nicely black came out of that pin. Now these two knights are free. Yes, that knight is not pinned anymore. Yes. Okay. Now, okay. Now triple, castling on long side, and now this position for it looks very good for white. So for black, you know, yeah, and bishop e2 white is also developing its pieces. Knight to f8. Now the interesting thing is you can see the black queen is short of moves. Yes, yeah, black queen is short of moves. I mean, you can simply it is cornered. Sorry, white queen is short of moves. So he's trying to play knight g6 and play take the crucial square of f4. Okay. So because this knight c, you want to come over here and here, and certainly taking this important square, controlling that square. And from here, anyways, this knight cannot go anywhere. You can't go here, you can't go here. Okay. So if you go here, that is useless. Okay. And that is what. Knight f8. Um, next, castles and knight to g6. Now takes the pawn. Now he takes the pawn. Okay. Because queen h3 is also one possibility. Then knight d5 is also really bad. I mean, next move, this is coming. Yeah. Next move, this knight is coming here, and if it takes with this and forking it. Even if you support it, okay, that is still f4 square is looking very, very dangerous. Okay. Now, okay. So better, white took this pawn, white took this pawn, and now you see how he uses that h file. Now white gave black gave a pawn here, and he is getting the compensation. See, look at how he will develop. Now he is bringing these rooks into attacks. Okay. Now white is kind of stuck. See, look at these two bishops which are not active, and look at these two knights. Now, even though there are two bishops over here and two knights over here, look how, and look at this bishop. Okay. So, and if you see the quality of the pieces, that will matter. Even though the pieces are equal, look at these rooks, white rooks and black rooks. Okay. So, black have a potential kingside attack, possibly coming really soon. Okay. White played f3, and here white uh, want to exchange that pawn and try to bring that you know bishop into action. Now, black is not allowing that. He is actually giving another pawn sacrifice. E3. Okay. Some might get a doubt here that why can't I play knight to h4 attacking the queen? Yeah. If you play knight h4, then the white can come back into the game by playing pawn takes pawn. Now you are thinking, oh, I got the queen, right? But here you can get, you already got two pieces and you are getting the third piece. Okay, three pieces you are getting for what? A queen. Okay, so three pieces for queen and one of them is rook. So this is not a case, an easy case. Okay, so this is how knight h4 is not a good idea. Okay, and see, yeah, now e3, he played bishop into e3. Okay, so he played sacrifice his second pawn. Now queen take. Okay, now queen takes e3 is horrible. Let's see why. Queen takes e3. Knight goes to d5. Queen to f2. Okay, queen g4. Now look at this. And now if you move this pawn, this is pawn. This is going to be in danger. Yes, knight f4 is coming soon. Bishop takes and knight takes. And look at this. Yeah, this is going to be really bad. I mean, this is not that uh, good thing at all. Okay, now, anyways, now let's go back. After bishop into e3, knight moves to f8. Even though it is not an attractive move, but it will give you good results because it is driving the queen to where? d5. Now queen is out of that line, so now you can have a fantastic attack, knight to d5, okay, and attacking the bishop, okay, and you can the king to f2. The idea of king to f2. Now there is, you can, somebody can ask this that I mean, why king to attack again? This the same problem. If you bishop f2, the same problem will come. Or queen h4 is also a threat. Yeah, I mean, this is really big threat here. Yeah, queen h4 is, I mean, sooner or later that will be a bigger threat. Yeah, again. So he played king to f2. I mean, king to f2 and a6. He's driving the queen from there. Okay, and he is not allowing this chance of a4 and a5 also, simply kicking the queen off from there. And queen d3, rook f2, simply taking back the pawn. Now, rook to e1. See, whenever there is an attack, no, so try to simplify or try to exchange pieces. There is a possibility that you can, the attack will come down. Okay. Now it is trying to exchange maximum pieces. But here it seems this is not the case because queen is also reinforcing. Rook takes rook, rook takes rook. Okay. So now knight goes here attacking the queen. Now this will not work because this is gone. Yeah. So knight to f1. Now let's see after that rook takes g2 check, king e1, queen f4 check, king to d2, going towards the queen side. Okay, running towards the queen side. Now see, this is the difference. Now bringing back the piece knight to g6. Idea is knight f4. Okay, rook e1, he is bringing his last piece to the defense. White is trying to defend with all means, and knight to f4, pawn, the bishop takes, and knight to f4, and queen to e3. Queen is attacked, no, so you have to move your queen. And now see, this is very interesting position. You just simply attacking this, these both are attacking. Now takes it, yeah, and queen to e3 and rook to f2. Can anybody tell me what is the rook f2 idea? What is the idea of rook f2? Can anybody tell me?
Sir, I think it is bishop to f3.
Bishop to f3 is fantastic. And one more.
Mm,
One more.
Sir, rook takes.
Rook takes what?
No, sir.
Sir, rook takes e2.
Rook takes c2. Rook takes
Sir,
what?
e2.
Huh?
Rook takes e2.
Why? Rook takes means? Rook takes then. So this is what, don't tell me just like anything. Okay. Simple idea. One is bishop f3. This is also a good idea. Another one. Okay. Idea is knight to f2. Simple. Knight to g2. Yeah. Forking the knight and a queen. Now the problem here is he can't move his queen from there. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If he moves the rook away, that queen, bishop drops. Yes. Yeah. Anyway, so here black resigned. Sorry, white resigned. So black won the game. Now this is how you can see in this lesson. We can try to understand how you can regroup pieces with proper planning. How you can regroup your pieces. How you can bring it to the attack. How you can threaten the opponent with quality play. Key squares, you have to focus on the key squares and try to um, you know bring pieces to quality squares, and you can have a good attack. Okay, chalo, we'll close it for here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.